G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Christensen, the Ice Cream Bloke and recently appointed Executive Director of the National Ice Cream Retailers Association. And in this video I'd like to talk to you a little bit about some of the benefits to attending one of our NICRA trade shows and conventions. Now, this trade show and convention happens every year, usually about the first or second week of November, and it generally bounces around the country in order to give our members an opportunity to see different locations after the busy ice cream season. This particular year in 2018, it is at the Cheyenne Mountain Resorts in beautiful Colorado Springs in Colorado. Again, this year, it's the 6th to the 8th of November, and it's around about that time frame each and every year after that. I want to tell you some of the benefits of coming to this particular trade event. Now, one thing I will tell you is that it is a trade event. You must be a member of the National Ice Cream Retailers Association in order to attend. We do have a single-day trade show, which is of great benefit. You don't need to be a member to come along to that. But if you want to get all of the benefits of coming to our convention, you do need to be a member. And I did mention in a previous video about the benefits of becoming a NICRA member, and hopefully that will be of appeal to you. But I do want to talk just a little bit about the convention in particular, because this really is the only industry-related trade show in the United States that's specifically focused on ice cream. Not fast food, not restaurants, not anything. It's just ice cream only. So if you are in the ice cream or frozen dessert business, if you're looking to get into the business, I really would encourage you to not only join the NICRA Association, but really consider the investment in your time and in your funds to come to convention. I believe that there's a great balance here between trade show and the convention so far as education and training. I do want to talk to you about the trade show for a minute. We have over 50 booths and exhibitors, supplier members to the organization who are at the trade show or at the event displaying their products, their services, and everything that they have to offer for our members and their customers. So anything from ice cream equipment to ice cream mix to flavors, toppings, cups, spoons, and really everything in between, as well as services like insurance and marketing. This is a trade show where you can physically walk around all of these booths, talk to these supplier members, and get ideas that can help you manage and grow your business. So the trade show portion of this event, I feel, is one of its great strengths. There really is no other trade show in the country that focuses specifically on ice cream, and I think you'll get a great amount of knowledge and a lot of information when it comes to growing your business and really getting the most out of your products and your services that you offer your customers. So that's the trade show, and again, we have about 50 booths every year. We are growing each and every year, so I would suggest that you go to the NICRA website and have a look at all of the companies that are exhibiting and supplying to the trade show. Really great event. Now, secondly is our seminars. We have over 30 educational seminars, and generally that's what we do every year. There's a 3-track system. So if you are just wanting to get into the ice cream business, or you're just 1 or 2 years in and still finding your feet, your first track is all about that rudimentary foundational information. The second track is for someone that may be in the industry, let's say 3 to 5 years, somewhat confident but looking to kind of rapidly grow their business. Then that second track of seminars, the topics and the discussions are really based around there for you. And if you've been in the business 5, 10, 15, 20 years, as some of our members have, that third track is really for you. It's how to fine-tune your business and how to get the most out of what you've already built over the many years for you and your customers. So there's a great balance of educational topics and seminars that we go to. The value really comes in the trade show process as well as the educational seminars. Now, every year we do have a keynote speaker, that industry expert or the industry mogul, if you will, is really there to help us understand their path, where they came from and how they got to where they are. This particular year in November 2018, it's going to be Brian Smith of the Ample Hills Creamery in New York City or in New Jersey. A great story there about someone who started off 3 days in after opening his first ice cream shop. He had to close the doors because he ran out of ice cream. Now he's got multiple locations all around the country, a great collaboration with Disney, and has just built an ice cream factory and museum in New York. Again, these keynote speakers can really help us understand where we can go in the industry and get a lot of knowledge out of them. Another thing I wanted to mention about the convention is the process of the Bryce Thompson Scholarship. Now, every year, both the supplier members, or our industry suppliers and exhibitors, and our board contribute an amount of money to donate towards the scholarship or to help college-aged employees of our member stores get through college. Now, this year there's about $17,000 worth of scholarships that we are awarding to university students, college students who work in our member stores. So if you are Bob's Scoopy Shop in Arkansas and you have 2 or 3 employees that are grinding their way through university or through college, these scholarships can directly benefit and help them in the process. So again, another aspect of how NICRA is giving back to their members. Very, very important. And we really feel as a board and as an association that giving back and the supporting of this next generation of ice cream people and community leaders is well worth investing into. So that's another benefit. Now, a couple of other events that happen at the convention: the ice cream clinic and the best new flavor competitions. These 2 competitions are really held in tandem, where we have members from all over the country send ice cream in to be judged by the dairy experts at the University of Minnesota. So we have members from all over the country send samples of ice cream, both vanilla and chocolate this year. On the rotating year, it tends to be vanilla and strawberry. And you actually get judged on a number of different elements to the quality of your product, and we give out blue ribbons and red ribbons and special distinctions when it comes to the quality of your ice cream. A great opportunity to market your product as a nationally recognized product in your community and in your town. Very important. The second of which is your best new flavor. So again, we have an opportunity on one of the evenings of the convention to basically sample over 50 to 100 different flavors that are submitted by our members all around the country. It's actually a great event where you walk up and down the aisles, you sample ice cream, and it's voted by the members as the year's best new flavor. Again, another great opportunity to be able to open and grow a business and then utilize the recognition and the accolades of your peers and an industry association nationally to basically say that this is what you're achieving as a local business. Very, very important. Look, it's 2.5 to 3 days worth of some of the best networking, some of the best information, and some of the best knowledge that you will get in the industry. It's well worth the time and effort to attend. Now again, you do have to be a member to join. So membership in NICRA costs $225 a year, and attending at the this year's event is about $575. All of the meals are provided for. You have to get your own accommodation and your transport there. But I will tell you again, if you're looking at solidifying yourself in the industry, learning more about the industry, or growing your business, then the NICRA convention is the place for you. Now, if you want more details on it, the calendar of events, or the schedule of events, as I say, and all of the information, go to nicra.org, nicra.org, and hopefully we'll get to see you at convention one year.